Lockerbie. It's 6:30 and that was my hotel, and that was a great bed, and now I'm going to Glasgow. Very beautiful, very peaceful. Normally there's a train, but today there's no train operating and there's a bus instead, and I booked this ticket already in advance because I was scared that maybe the bus might be full. And this is the train station of Lockerbie. They're repairing today the tracks here, that's why there's a bus instead of the train. Maybe this is the bus. Maybe this is the bus. If this would be the bus, that would be great. So this bus is going to Carlisle, and he also wants to park here. This is my bus here to Motherwell. They said I'm probably the only passenger, but we will see. Still 10 minutes to go. That's why I cannot be a bus driver. I'm scared to film it because it is so scary. It looks so scary, but there's no space here. But at least this is my bus here and that is safe. Oh my God. It's a nightmare. Why are they parking the buses here in this small parking space? In Germany we need thousands of bus drivers, but not many people want to do it because look at this here. That's really you really need to be cool. And this bus here, he turned, but then he continued. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, how are you doing?
Good, I'm from Germany, by the way.
Right.
Yeah, I'm traveling to Glasgow today. And
Right, well I'm only going as far as Motherwell.
Yes, right. I have the ticket here.
Yeah, no, you need to show those guys because I don't know how they work.
So. So, okay, I just sit down here or...
Yeah, anywhere you like.
Yeah, thank you. The bus is coming back once.
Then turn left.
See if there's anything.
That's free.
It's clear.
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah. My English is a little bit limited. Sorry.
No problem.
Yeah.
Better than my German.
Yeah.
Turn right, then take the second right. After 200 yards, turn right. Turn right. At the end of the
Do you go back now to Carlisle or?
Yeah, eventually. I'm not sure what time I'll be.
The train station opened in this location in 1885, and that is here the bus. And we are 15 minutes ahead of schedule, and here's the train station, Motherwell. And I will take from here the train to the next, to Dalmuir or something, and then another train to Balloch at the Loch Lomond. Yeah, I spoke a lot to the driver, and it was a great bus ride. I was the only passenger. That was really awesome. All right. But it looks very good here, very clean and very perfect. There's nothing to complain about. So my train. My train is leaving at 8:17 in 10 minutes from track number 4. I will go there now. This is track 4 here. Maybe that is already my train. Hopefully it's cold here. It's 3 degrees Celsius. Yeah, this is a train from Motherwell to Barnamatar. Okay.
Yeah, so that's all you've got left there.
I just realized I'm the only passenger here. And the toilet is not working. I'm now in Drumchapel. Drumchapel. train's leaving in 10 minutes to Loch Lomond. And they had a toilet here.